Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a mysterious unicorn box. There's something inside, and just in case if I need, I got scissors. If there's blind bags, let's start opening it. I can see a line at the bottom. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of fidgets.
Let me see.
A lot of fidgets.
Oh my gosh.
Let's first start with the open ones. So there's this little unicorn poppet that can hang on your backpack or a bag. It's really cute, and there's these little peas. And when you push this, a face will come out. And when you push it, there will be no face. And there will be a different face. Do you see any face? Let me see. No faces. Now let's check this one. Any faces? Nope. You might not be able to see it. I'm putting them right here if you want to check them out. And then there's this little squishy. A squishy. It feels so soft. A mushroom mash. This is super fun. This is so entertaining because there's a little marble inside and you have to squish it around and round. And it's really cool because it's called a mushroom mash and you get to squeeze it. Let me see if I have lots of these. Yeah, I have 2 more of those. Let me check around. Nothing else. And here we have 2 pop tubes. They're called pop tubes because they make popping sounds. Sometimes they don't stretch very good because you gotta stretch them. Woo. And then when you stretch them over, same thing happens. Like you just bought them. Kind of like you just bought them. And then you can connect it and make it longer and longer and longer. Okay, let's put it back. A little unicorn! A little unicorn keychain. And as you can tell, I'm a unicorn! This is like my little unicorn friend. This does the same as the poppet keychain. Little poppet bracelet. You basically do this inside of one of these, and then what size you need, it's gonna make that size. And you wear this and pop it.
Mm-hmm.
It's very entertaining. And we have a lot of stuff to go.
Mm-hmm. You're right, Mama.
Let's see around if there's anything else open now. I guess not, so let's start with the scissors. Okay. Let's start with this little bear. I guess we don't need the scissors for these one. And we have another keychain. Wow, this comes with a lot of keychains. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. It's a little bear. It has a bear and a bear on the pop parts. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, this is cute.
And this can also hang on your backpack. Ooh, let's try this. This is big. Or not.
Mama, is it look like butterfly?
Yes, I think it's a butterfly simple dimple. It's a butterfly simple dimple. It's a butterfly simple dimple. These are really cool. Let me pop it. You can see me popping it. I wanted that to happen. This is so cute. And let's see. Ooh. Let's have these. These are little balls. Ooh, they can stick together. Ooh, they stick together. You won't even lose these if they stick together. They stick together, so you won't lose them. At least.
You are right.
And this little orange. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of these. Let's put it right here. Okay. Woo! I'm so excited about this. Let's have another one of these. Ooh, I really actually have to use my scissors for this one. Oh, it's a little Mickey Mouse! This can hang on your backpack. If you want it to hang on your backpack, you can use that. This is really cool. It can hang on a backpack. That goes here too. We have a lot of stuff so far. Ooh, let's do this. Ooh, this one I have to really be careful with cutting. Cut at the very tippy top. Ooh, I don't think this is gonna come out. Okay. It's a little squish ball. Isn't this so cool?
Yes, Mama.
Don't ever take out this or the little balls will come out. This is really cool. I'm really interested in this one. I'm wondering what this is. Like, I'm actually wondering. If you fall down and you don't think you can do it again, but you can do it. You can actually do it. Did you see me give up on this one? Nope.
I like this one.
Yeah, me
It
too.
looks like snake, am I right?
Yes. When we got this mystery box, I wondered a lot. But there's fidgets. Okay, this one's a little bit hard to twist around. I might need to practice that a little more.
Okay.
Try this one. Okay. Sometimes you have to shake the bag to get them down. Okay. Let's put the bags down. Ooh! They look like little rings. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. They're really cool. So let's put them right here. And if you want to see some, here we go.
Thank you, Mama. To show your viewers. Don't viewers কে দেখানোর জন্য
These
অনেক
are
ধন্যবাদ।
my eyes.
Yep.
Let's see. Let's open these. Let me see. I saw a few more. Okay. They're little soft things. I don't know these ones' names. But they look so cute. I just want to feel them. They're so soft. Here's the white one.
Yeah.
The white one's like, oh, I'm gonna relax. And then the yellow one is like, look at me dance. Boop, 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 boop. The pink one is tired because she played basketball all day. And the gray one,
It's really soft, Mama.
yeah, it is.
It looks like a rat, am I right?
No, it's a cat.
Cat, yeah.
Rat and cat rhymes. And this one is gonna play basketball all day.
Here we go.
Like it's gonna play all day tomorrow. Okay. So far we have a lot of mush and mash and a lot of poppet that can get stuck on your backpack. So I'm gonna cut this one open that can go on your backpack too. So the bear one doesn't have double-sided pictures, but this one has double-sided pictures.
Okay.
It has 2 bows. And on to our next thing. Ooh, monkey noodles. Monkey noodles. Okay. Okay. Monkey noodles. Come on, right up. Ooh. They're so swiggly. I'm gonna use the pink one. It's so stretchy. I'm gonna go like this. And it doesn't even slap you that hard.
Wow. That means it's soft, am I right?
Yes, it slaps you soft. There's a pink one, a green one, a yellow one, a blue one, a orange one, and a purple one.
What else? Let's see.
Okay.
Oh my god, a lot of stuff we have to review, am I right?
Yeah. Ooh, I want to do this one too. Since they're the same, I'm going to grab both of them at the same time. Ooh. I don't know this one's name too. Comment down below if you know some of these ones' names. And I know this is a squish ball.
Okay.
Or you can call it a stress ball. Ooh, we're slowly getting to the biggest ones.
Does it look like earring or something? What?
I'm wondering what this is. And I don't even know the name of this, but it looks so cool.
Maybe keyring, am I right?
It's not a key ring, then why does key rings, would key rings have these? No.
Okay.
Comment down below if you know what this is. Okay. You can take a close look. And it's cool. We have a poppet fidget spinner. Poppet fidget spinner is gonna get delivered in right now.
Oh, yay!
And you guys might think I don't know how to use poppet fidget spinners. I'm not good at it, but I'm good at it.
Here we
Ooh,
go.
it's so colorful. It looks like it's glowing.
You're right.
It actually does look like it's glowing. Close look. Oh, we're sliding to the biggest ones. This one. I had to decide a little bit before I chose. One of my old teachers had these. It was the same color. And I don't even know what the name is. But she would just fidget it with one hand.
Okay.
But at least it's cool.
You are right.
It's a little cute now. Now it's a rectangle. Ooh, we're slowly getting to the biggest ones. Ooh, I'm wondering what this one will have. Okay. Okay, so you can put this on right here. There's a little tiny hole. And this is like, you can choose which one you want to put a face. I would really choose the smiley face. The mad face is when you're mad. The squirmy face is when you're like scared or sad.
Okay.
And the happy face is like when you're like, hooray, I'm happy face. So I am a happy face, so I'm keeping the happy face. Okay. It's really cool because it's also a poppet fidget spinner.
Wow, yeah.
It might look different, but it's still a poppet fidget spinner. We're getting to the biggest ones of them all. A dinosaur. I know another YouTuber's brother would like this poppet. I know who.
I like this dinosaur.
Yeah. It's rainbow. Woo! This one does not want to come out. It wants to stay in its habitat. Okay. The mouse actually moves. That's cool. At least. The mouse is kind of like it moves. Okay. When you just starter on poppets, it will be a little hard for you to know. But when you're not a beginner, you will know how.
What is this?
It's a rocket ship poppet. And 3, 2, 1. It's a butterfly poppet. It's a butterfly. And 3, 2, 1. Butterfly, fly.
Here you go.
It's really cool. And the antennas also actually move. It's really cool.
So right now you have lots of poppet, am I right? Poppet.
And
So
fidgets.
right now you have lots of poppet, am I right?
And lots of fidgets. Yeah. And when you're done playing with these, you can put them all back inside of the box. Like pretend I'm done playing. Now I'm gonna put all of these inside of the box. Guys, I have to go. So hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and hit the bell button and hit the thumbs up button, a little ad right there. And thanks for watching. Bye.